I'm Shaun with River City Truck Parts, and today we're going to discuss some of the parts and areas you want to consider when putting in a reman long block into your truck. We're here with a Cummins dual overhead cam engine, which was relevant from like 99 to 09. The IFS fuel system was one of your critical areas that could cause engine issues throughout the whole engine, which would make you think that maybe your long block was going bad, but it was all within your solenoids, fuel pump, fuel pressure going to the cylinder head. So this is an area to consider to replacing when you put a long block engine into your truck. We're on the hot side of the ISX. A few parts you want to consider replacing rather than using off of your old engine is your EGR cooler, which runs right under your exhaust manifold. They have a tendency to leak coolant and get carbon buildup inside of them, which can also hurt your new long block engine, which could shorten your service life of your long block engine. And it's through here, runs all the way around, comes in your exhaust manifold. Turbochargers are a real big critical part too to look at when replacing your long block. Because if you have high mileage on your turbocharger and you put it on your new reman long block, well, if the turbo is not doing correct or if it's coming close to failing, you could drop metal shavings into your engine. You could drop oil out your exhaust system, which could also hurt your DPS system, which will shorten your service life for your long block also. So just some of these key points here is what you want to consider replacing when you buy a long block, just to help. Call us on getting a long block. And if you have any questions or concerns on components for what you need to replace on your long block, feel free to ask us. We can help you buy them, set it up, get your gasket kits. We'll do anything here at River City to keep you going down the road.